24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano really is floating at $307,641,773 in a genuinely large manner. ADA essentially acquired roughly 0.92% inside the fundamentally most recent 24 hours, which really is very huge. Cardano's EMA10 generally shows a vertical pattern, or so they for the most part thought. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the in every way that really matters, past week acquiring 0.3%, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. 03 December 2023, in this we will fundamentally walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually sort of sought clarification on some things, facts, what in a real sense is by and large momentary cost expectation for Cardano, basically is ADA, and essentially wise speculation. Which essentially is genuinely huge. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, which basically is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the ADA specialized investigation, fundamentally let us for the most part discuss the extremely current economic situations, by and large further appearance, how Cardano's EMA10 basically shows a vertical pattern. Which essentially is genuinely huge. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,484,537,238,437, which generally is genuinely critical. The kind of complete exchanging volume basically remains at $45,105,667,806, kind of an opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours, truly further appearance how Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time span in a sort of significant manner. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, truly is up by 2.68 and presently exchanging at 63 cents in an especially huge manner. Moreover, Solana came to $63.36 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano basically is floating at $307,641,773 in an especially significant manner. These occasions fundamentally show that the market basically is going in a by and large descending, heading for kind of present moment, which generally is genuinely critical. Right now, a for the most part broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction essentially are significant specialized pointers used to by and large distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers generally become kind of more for the most part dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so ADA explicitly acquired roughly 0.92% inside the essentially most recent 24 hours in a huge manner. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers for the most part become moves certainly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how ADA by and large acquired roughly 0.92% inside the for the most part most recent 24 hours, or so they essentially thought. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution ADA in every practical sense, has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 0.92% in genuinely most recent 24 hours, so Cardano pick up bullish speed over the kind of past week acquiring 0.3% in a sort of significant manner. The truly current worth of Cardano certainly is drifting at 39 cents, with the exchanging volume of $307,641,773 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, which basically is genuinely huge. The especially by and large market cap for ADA basically is $13,880,807,381 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 0.3% over the course of the week, truly further appearance how Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to all things considered. Distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a very significant way. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Examination for 03 December 2023, inside an especially day-to-day time span in a real sense, made sense of beneath, exhibiting how Cardano's EMA10 generally shows a vertical pattern in a sort of huge manner. We utilize really relative strength INDEX RSI, moving commonly normal union and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including genuinely basic moving especially normal, SMA, and remarkable moving certainly normal, EMA, to sort of break down the future development of the Cardano. Showing that XRP, the truly local coin of XRP by and large, is up by 2.68 and as of now exchanging at 63 cents, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The ADA United States dollar moving commonly normal union and difference MACD marker really is demonstrating an exceptionally present moment fundamentally sell extremely signal as the MACD line basically is moving beneath, especially signal line which in every practical sense implies explicitly bears basically are ruling on the lookout, which most certainly is very huge. While ADA's Williams %R marker certainly is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal truly is genuinely conceivable at this reach, so Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of huge manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and explicitly is attempting to sort of break out of the negative zone while featuring gigantic negative strength, showing that ADA in every practical sense acquired roughly 0.92% inside the truly most recent 24 hours, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. The prompt opposition for ADA certainly is generally found at 40 cents, and a breakout from this level could by and large leads towards the in every practical sense next obstruction, which can truly be in every practical sense found at 42 cents. So the ADA United States dollar moving especially normal combination and difference MACD pointer basically is demonstrating a fundamentally present moment certainly sell in every way that really matters, signal as the MACD line truly is moving underneath, most certainly signal line which especially implies essentially bears for the most part are overwhelming in the market in a kind of huge way. On the genuinely other hand, on the off chance that the bear especially assume command and ADA cost by and large neglects to truly break out above 40 cents, it could fall back